Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, the Discover Boss, and we're here on another development. So we are on 25 Gretna Green Avenue, right off Hagley Park Road, very central location. So we are at this new BPO space that I'll be introducing to you guys. I'll be doing a complete walkthrough, so this is an exclusive video. And again, we're highlighting this BPO space, which is up for lease to any BPO client, any BPO company. One of my subscribers invited me to come on over and just show this new development on the block. So stay tuned while we take a full walkthrough, just to highlight some of the jobs that are being created in Jamaica. All right, so we'll do a full walkthrough. So this one is being developed by Telerock Global Limited, and this property is 30,000 square feet. I'm sure you can see the space. This is just for parking and any other yard activity. So parking is definitely not an issue. Good secured facility as well. There will be a security post, standby generator. Those are some of the amenities. It's initially created for 400 seats, but if a client wants, say, 100 seats, 200 seats, then that can be leased as well. The lease comes with a lot of things already included. For example, a cafeteria area upstairs, which we'll check on. So you guys stay tuned and watch to the end. It includes electricity, generator, already wired with internet fiber cables, includes security, cleaning services, complimentary parking, employee locker, conference room, maintenance, and a lot more, guys. So we're gonna take a full walkthrough. I'm gonna show you guys around the space. And again, it's all about jobs, guys. So the BPO sector is one that is on the rise, is one that is getting the most employment right now, and this facility offers 400 seats. That's 400 persons being employed. And again, the developer, the person leasing the property or the company is Telerock Global. So let's take a full walkthrough. You guys leave your comments and let me know. All right, so right here is the main entrance. So this is the front desk and lobby area. Throughout the building, you have ceiling fans and also AC units as well. The first room we'll take a glimpse on is the gray room. It's a smaller type training room, can accommodate about 30 persons. So this is for training or a meeting, whatever the case is. And then we have a boardroom / meeting room on this side. All right, so coming out of the boardroom, we'll go into one of the first BPO space. So the space is in different sections. So for example, a company having a peak season, for example, a Sutherland, a Conduent, a Centerfield, any company probably needs to ramp up. You can definitely give this client a buzz and you'll be able to lease a space. As you realize, seats are already there, all the wiring is there. You have fans, AC units. I think this section sits 100 persons, and this is called the Blue Room. So the main aim is, any BPO that needs space, whether for a peak season or need additional space, then this is what we're catering to, guys. All right, so you also have the green room as well, which we'll take a walk into next. So stay tuned, guys. Leave a comment as well. And again, this is a new BPO space available right now, just off Hagley Park Rd. So we have some space here for like workforce and any other person, supervisors as well. Just gonna show you guys a glimpse of the bathroom area. All right, so coming out of the blue room, we'll now step into the green room, which is the biggest space of the three. So this space can sit up to 200 persons. So what we're promoting today, guys, is jobs. This facility offers up to 400 jobs. So I know you know somebody that knows somebody that knows somebody. So now you know this space is available. There's a lot of BPO companies under construction, which I've covered on the channel already. But this one is ready to go. It's ready for leasing. And we know the December period is usually the peak season for certain companies. For example, like Amazon clients. You know, those companies usually ramp up for peak season. So I know you know somebody that may know somebody, so you can pass on the word, pass on the video, share the video, leave a comment as well, guys, because what we want to see is, you know, more persons getting employed as well. And then these are some office spaces, whether for managers or quality or supervisors or whoever. So you have office space as well. So again, fan, AC, all that is already in, so it's ready to go. All right, guys, so coming out of the blue space, we're now in the green space, 200 seats. And then from the blue space, we're now into the orange space. So this provides another 100 seats as well. And as I mentioned, it's centrally located just off Hagley Park Rd. It's 25 Gretna Green Avenue. So it's a central location for all your staff members. So it's definitely a definite good place that you guys can check out, that you guys can share to someone, that you guys can highlight as well. And you know, you guys know on the channel, we're always sharing all the good stuff that's happening, the good developments in Jamaica. So this is one of them, because this one equals the job. So if I can be a part of it, if you guys can be a part of it as well, you know, that's what we love. And as usual, guys, if you have a property, if you have a new development, if you have something that's impacting Jamaica that you want me to broadcast, just give me a buzz. You know, my WhatsApp number is in the description, my email address, or just leave a comment and we can connect together. All right, guys, so now we're leaving the green space, leaving the orange space, and we're gonna go back to the lobby area. And again, 400 seats in total, and the lease covers a lot of amenities from electricity to UPS backup generator, fiber optic internet cable, security, water, cleaning services. As you see, chairs are already here. The cubicles are already in. You have a cafeteria area as well. And again, this is the gray room, which is mainly a smaller training room. And then this leads out back to the lobby area. All right, guys, so we're coming from that area, which is training, and through that glass, you can see some of the orange decks. And again, this is the front decks, conference room, and another entrance right here to the blue room around that side. We'll take a glimpse of the locker room as well, because lockers are already provided. I know in most situations when a BPO lease a space, you'll be completely empty and they have to put in everything, but this one comes already, you know, with a lot of amenities for you guys. So it's ready and it's a quick move-in for an interested client. All right, so let's take a glimpse at the bathroom areas now. All right, so you also have a camera system already in. So if a lease space can add more cameras to it if they choose. You also have a fire. So you also have a fire alarm system already in as well. And then this is one of the exits or entrances that can be used. And again, that's outside. That's a part of Hagley Park Rd there. And again, a very big yard space. Let's take a quick look at the bathroom areas, the restroom. And then this is one of the bathroom areas here. I think this would be for the females. So bathroom already in. And then down this side is for the males. All right, so amenities already in, guys. So it's ready to move in, ready to lease. And again, 400 seats equal 400 jobs. So that's what we're promoting. All right, guys, so we'll be taking a walk up to the cafeteria area right now. So at least you guys can see up that side as well. All right, guys, so now we're heading up to the cafeteria area. All right, so let's go take a look. So the cafeteria area is on the upper floor. So at least, you know, some good views when persons are having lunch. Fresh air coming in as well. So this is the cafeteria space. And again, you know, while the major facilities are ready, just some minor work is still happening here and there. So a few workmen is still here. So this is the dining space for the cafeteria. And again, you know, fridge can come in, snack machines, and then they also have space now for, you know, a concessionaire. So cooked meals can be provided from here. There's also a kitchen area as well. So you have the dining space. And then let me just show you guys, we're on the second floor. All right. So a dining space and a kitchen area to provide cooked meals as well. I'll show you guys just a few glimpses at the kitchen too. All right, so I'm standing from the kitchen area. So you have serving counter, a cashier space there as well. And then you have a food preparation space. So you have stove, sink, and stuff like that. So when they say everything is here, from the BPO space to the seats, to the cubicles, to the cafeteria area, it's all here, guys. So again, Telerock Global Limited is 30,000 square feet, ready for lease. You have different seats you can lease. You can lease the entire 400, you can lease 200, 100. So you choose based on the need. And the lease includes all amenities. So it's up and ready. I'll put all the information for Telerock in the description and in the comments of the video, so you guys can definitely give them a buzz. And again, guys, leave your thoughts. Tell me what you think. Share in the comment section your thoughts, and let's have a discussion. And remember to share the video so that other persons can see. And remember to like the video as well. All right? All right, guys, so let me know your thoughts. And I know there are persons that are always commenting, persons that are always, you know, sharing their thoughts and suggestions. I know there are persons that always share the videos as well. So definitely share so that more persons can see. Share so that a potential client can see. And, you know, let me know your thoughts in the comment section as well. And remember, it's 30,000 square feet, 400 jobs because of 400 available seats, training area, lunch area. The lease includes electricity, generator, security, cleaning, parking, you name it, guys. So it's Telerock Global Limited, and this is a new BPO space, 400 jobs. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for clicking on the video. Thanks for watching to the end. And, you know, just to test if you guys watch to the end, just put 400 jobs in the comment section. If you have made it to the end, put 400 jobs in the comment section. So thanks for watching, and see you on another video.